Hello, my name is Blanca Rosa Monterroso Angulo. Today we're talking about the tax one for the answer question. The first question, my answer is of my primary school teacher, I remembered people dedicated to the education. Teacher with the power and interesting in just learning each of the subjects given. The second answer. In fact, I was the English teacher because as son of right, he spoke in English and few of the could understand what he was saying or what he was talking about. And we will not participate honestly. It was in English. It was my nightmare. The third question. Yes, of course. I remember their names clearly. In elementary schools, Spanish teacher Sabina Angulo, in fact, is my mother. In high school, my recent teacher Jorge de Leon. The University of Córdoba, the teacher Dario Castillo. At the University of UNAD, teacher Jennifer Murphy. There are role model teachers. Their teaching knowledge are what have helped my growth as a person and professional. In this question, my answer is lack of respect from students and parents. I really think that is the correct answer. The five question, I think that answer for me is I would like for a way that is more in line what their learning process. Thank you. This is my answer.